All right, here we are in chapter 4 on fractions, and this is section 4.5 on multiplying and dividing mixed fractions. All right, so we're going to have some definitions of proper fractions, improper fractions, and then mixed fractions. So a proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. So 2 over 3 or 4 over 7 or 9 over 13. Now an improper fraction has a fraction whose numerator is larger than the denominator. So like 4 over 3 or 9 over 7 or 213 over 113. So instead of being smaller, it's larger in the numerator. And then we have a mixed fraction. And these are where we have a whole number part and we have a proper fraction part. So something with a smaller numerator. Okay, so something like 7 and 1/8 or 5 and 1/2 or 6 and 1/3. And we can think about that as it's 7 plus 1/8 or 5 plus 1/2 or 6 plus 1/3. So those are ways to kind of think about that. Now we can go between mixed fractions to improper fractions, and what we have to do is we take our whole number part times the denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the whole number part times the denominator. So we're basically going in a clockwise circle. So we're going to take 2 times 3, and then we're going to add the numerator to that. And then we're going to say plus 1. So if we write that out, we're going to take 2 times 3, which is what we have here, plus 1, and then all over our original denominator, 2. So 2 times 3 is going to be 6, plus 1 is 7, so we get 7/2. So this is how we convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So let's do that here. So again, we're going to take this times this, and then we're going to take that and add it to that. So we're going to take 7 times 8 plus 1 all over the original denominator, which was 8. Well, 7 times 8 is 56, plus 1 is 57, all over 8, and that's going to be our improper fraction. So again, same thing. We're going to multiply here, and then we're going to add here. So we're going to take 2 times 5 plus 1 all over 2. Well, 2 times 5, that's going to be 10, plus 1 is 11, all over our 2. Again, take and multiply, and then we're going to add. So add, that's multiply. 3 times 6 plus 1 all over 3. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19 over 3. What about this one? So we'll get a little bit bigger numbers now. Still the same thing. We're going to multiply here on the whole number and the denominator, and then we're going to add the numerator. So we'll take 9 times 5 plus 4 over 5. Well, 9 times 5 is 45, plus 4 is 49 over 5. Okay? And so that's how we're converting the mixed fraction to that improper fraction. Okay, so I'll stop there and I'll come back in a short bit.